Which gas-powered RC car is actually worth your time and money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 options that stand out from the crowd. Product number 1, DERC 9309E Off-Road Truck. First up, we've got the DERC 9309E All-Terrain Fast RC Car. Priced around $69.98, this truck caught my attention with its impressive speed and durability. If you want a solid off-road experience, this is worth a serious look. What makes the DERC 9309E stand out? That means you can tear through mud, sand, or grass without breaking a sweat. The 4WD system and waterproof-esque allow you to race even in wet conditions, giving you versatility that many other models lack. Plus, it comes with dual 1500 mAh batteries, providing about 40 minutes of playtime so you won't be constantly rushing to recharge. Now here's the thing, some users reported issues with the remote control range. While it works well for most scenarios, if you're planning to race at a distance, you might want to keep that in mind. But honestly, for most casual users, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun, robust RC truck that can handle rough terrains. Skip this one if you need something with a longer range for competitive racing. Overall, you get solid performance for a reasonable price. Now, if the remote control range issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, DERC 9300E Monster Truck. Next, we have the DERC 9300E Remote Control Car. At a price of $59.99, it's similar to the previous model but comes with a few upgrades that might catch your eye. If you need something fun yet affordable, this is worth checking out. What makes the DERC 9300E a great choice? With a top speed of 40 km/h and 2 included batteries, you can expect about 40 minutes of driving time. The nylon chassis offers incredible durability, making it a solid option for both kids and adults alike. However, some users mention the motor heats up after extended use, which could limit the duration of your racing sessions. But here's the thing, this is common with many high-speed RC cars. Just take breaks every 15 minutes and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or looking for a reliable choice without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're an experienced racer who needs more advanced features. For the price, you're getting great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for speed enthusiasts. Product number 3, WIORCHI Fast RC Truck. Coming in third is the WIORCHI 114 Brushless RC Car. Priced at $129.99, this beast can hit speeds over 50 mph. If you're all about speed, this one is definitely worth your attention. Why does the WIORCHI stand out? It has rugged chassis components and a brushless motor that allows for extreme speed and durability. The 4x4 capabilities and all-terrain tires ensure that this truck performs exceptionally on grass, gravel, and even snow. Plus, the dual batteries give you nearly 44 minutes of fun. However, some buyers found it a bit challenging to control at high speeds. This might be frustrating for someone new to RC cars, but let's be real. If you're looking for high-speed thrills, you'll cherish the adrenaline rush. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance vehicle for off-road adventures. Skip this if you're just starting out and need something easier to handle. For those who crave speed, this is well worth the investment. Now, if you're not ready to handle that level of speed yet, the next product is a fantastic middle ground. Product number 4, Hyper-Geo H14 BMV3. Next on the list is the Hyper-Geo H14 BMV3, which comes in at $199.99. This one is designed for those who want next-level performance and speed. If you're serious about your RC experiences, give this one a look. So what's the deal with the Hyper-Geo? The enhanced servo structure means faster response times, which is crucial when you're racing. Plus, it's designed to tackle all terrains, making it suitable for snow, sand, and mud. That said, the price might be a turnoff for those on a budget. Some users felt that while it's an amazing vehicle, it might not be worth the premium for casual users. But if you're in it for the long haul and want something that delivers top-tier performance, then it's a worthy investment. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced racer looking for a high-speed machine. Skip this if you're just getting started or need something more budget-friendly. The performance you'll get here is remarkable. Finally, if you're seeking something that balances quality and affordability, our last product might be right up your alley. Product number 5, TNS X1 14-scale Truggy. Last but not least, we have the TNS X1 14-scale RC car priced at $109.99. This one hits speeds of up to 60 kph, which is impressive for its category. If you want something fast that won't break the bank, this could be your pick. What's great about the TNS X? Its all-terrain capabilities mean you can take it anywhere. Plus, it comes with dual batteries for up to 60 minutes of runtime, which honestly surprised me. However, some users have reported that the suspension system could use some improvement to handle rougher terrains better. Here's the thing though, most RC cars at this price point have similar issues, so it's not a huge red flag. This is perfect for you if you want a fun and fast RC car without going over budget. Skip this one if you're looking for a competitive racing machine designed for speed. For the quality and features, it's a solid buy. Now, let's wrap things up and compare what we've seen today. To quickly recap, we've seen the DERC 9309E and 9300E for robust performance at a great price, the WIRCHI for extreme speed, the Hyper-Go for serious racers, and the TNS X for those who want a balance of speed and affordability. Each has its strengths, so think about what's most important for you. Happy racing!